friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa. I come with another ScrapDiva Design project. This is her new release for November, and I am all over the place, you guys. Honestly, I had a fun little reveal where I was going to share all the projects I made, but I think it was too long and it wouldn't upload to YouTube. So now I'm doing individual videos. And I am not the best at making videos. Like I say, they're not the greatest, but I just wanted to share this one because this one's going to be super fast, you guys. I took the new Elf shoe mini album die set, which is so cute, you guys. I love it. And I created these cute little bougie, like shabby chic little ornament type of hanging like pockets. So like you could put candy canes in there, also like ephemera, like some kind of treat. The other thing I also think would be fun is to create little like pouches so that you can put treats inside and give them away at the holidays. Oh, so I'm going to show you guys that in a minute, but I took Frank Garcia's Christmas Market, which is the new collection that just came out, and I fussy cut out. Well, I did fussy cut out some stuff, but I took the Maggie Holmes wrapping paper booklet because I still had it in my stash and I haven't used it, and I took the music sheets and I cut them out and I stitched them. My sewing machine is on its last leg, you guys. You should hear it. It's like whoa, 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 like it's barely going. So I was able to sew these. I think I'm going to have to get a new one. Anyways, I sewed that part and added little punch holes. I did rip this one, so I added some hot glue to kind of stick it in there. But I used this fun little wire. It's floral wire. Sorry, guys. And I picked it up at Joann's. I did ink it up a bit to give it a distressed look. And then I just embellished. I didn't do all the layers. I only did the inside layer because I wanted the music sheet to be seen. And then I added, you know, the flowers and the ephemera on there. And I did add the little bells. I love them. I did not glue them down. I just left them as is, but I added some little diamond dots. And then I took this, oh, you guys, Joann's has this gorgeous velvet ribbon. Look at this. I didn't like the red. I felt like the red was kind of purple looking. I don't know. It wasn't my vibe, so I didn't pick it up. And I'm telling myself, like, how you feel it, what is it, Marie Kondo, how you feel about it when you're looking at it. It did not inspire, so I didn't get it. And so I got this one and the light pink, which absolutely love the light pink one. And so I added it there and just added the little diamond dots. And I love these flowers too. They're so pretty. These are from the Frank Garcia collection, which I do have a discount code. It's PinkApe10 and you get 10% off anything in a store. So definitely use that. And then I took the little carolers, I think that's what they're doing, and I added the word carols from the Christmas Words #1. And oh my gosh, I just love. And then I took the little bells and I added, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I took and added a little bit of that burlap thread, and I tied it a little bow and added a little diamond dot there. Oh my gosh, I just love how this turned out. And then I added diamond dots all around. I did put the bells back in there. And this flower die set is just from my stash. I didn't add any sparkle to it because there was sparkle on the leaves. And then the word fa la la la. And then I made this. Isn't that so cool? I took a candy cane that you find at the Dollar Tree and I covered it with fabric, little gold trim. But oh my gosh, I just love how these turn out. They're so shabby chic. So pretty. Okay, but what I wanted to show you guys really quickly is I took this Christmas paper. I have this roll. I have this big old roll. I say I found this one at either Ross or Tuesday Morning when it was still open. And I just cut out, whoopsies, 2 pieces, okay? And all you're gonna, if you want to, you could stitch, or I was thinking these would be cute little pouches for like treats. And so all you're gonna do is take your glue and you're just gonna glue on the little edges, you know, just add a little bit of glue there. I'm just gonna do these really quickly. Not gonna be perfect, but. And then I'm gonna do section by section just so that I'm not making a crazy mess. So you're just gonna do that like that. And then once you have all your edges glued together, this glue dries so fast. You can leave the top open so that you can add like candy or little, you know, ribbon trims in there. And you're gonna glue all the way around. And then that way you can add your goodies in there, which I think is so cute. But look at that. Isn't this paper so cute? And I think it'd be a cute little pouch for like candies. Like you can put them on like the table and with the little tag and their name on it for like little favors at your Christmas table. I think that would be so cute. I would love to do that for my family, but we're a big family and I don't think they care for this kind of stuff. They'd be like, what is this and what is it for? Maybe if I put a lottery ticket in there, then they would care. They love that lottery. Okay. Eee. But isn't this such a fun idea? Okay. Or you could put little flowers in here for like a swap. So cute. So you guys catch my drift here with this one, and I think I'm gonna just make this one kind of glue up there at the top. Let me see. Okay, this is getting hard to glue there. I get it on my nice little okay. Then we'll just do this part here. Okay, and that's coming off over there. Okay, make sure you add enough glue, you guys, so it doesn't come apart. There we go. And then you just add your goodies and then you can close it up. How cute is that for a little pouch? Oh my gosh, I love it. So definitely try that out and head over to Erica's shop, ScrapDivaDesigns.com, and hashtag, where is it at? Right here. Hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for lots of ideas and inspiration, because the ladies are just coming up with so many different ways to use our dies other than creating, you know, what they're supposed to be for. But then that way you get your money's worth, you know, and you can do different things with them. How fun is that? So thank you guys so much for watching, and come back for some more videos that I'll be sharing here, like back to back to back.